what this channel is about teaching you the tools that you need to ensure that you can become consistent in your trading. Consistent as far as making profits. Okay, so let's get started. Now, I'm going to take you to let me see, my Binance. So this is my Binance account. And if you click on markets, that's where I am right now. We see what's going on in the markets right now. Now, it's interesting. I mean, you get maybe the same effect as if you're using CoinMarketCap, but what you want to do, for those of you who are so interested in what coin is pumping and how could I have gone in on the action before it moved upwards, well, this is what you want to do. You want to do your homework before. For those of you who don't know that a certain coin pumped, it's because you're not part of a community. It's because you haven't analyzed your charts. It's because you don't have alerts set. You don't have a watch list. I mean, you have nothing, but you want to know when a coin, you want to know before a coin was going to pump. Well, you've got to make sure all your tools are in place. Now, I would believe most of you may have Binance. I don't know. There's so many other cryptocurrency platforms out there, but Binance is one of the main ones I use. And if you go to that markets page, and if you click on 24-hour change, so let's click on 24-hour change, and it sorts the coins in terms of how much the change has been over the past 24 hours. If you click it again, and it sorts it from top to bottom as far as percentage changes, and we can see that this coin, Storage/USDT, in the last 24 hours has moved 36%. So this is the kind of information you want to get in on before the move. But this is one of the things you could do to ensure that you're in the loop. Definitely, you could also be you could subscribe to a trading signal company, a trading signal website. There is one that I tend to use when I do use it, and it's okay. Trading signals are okay, but I don't believe there's any trading signal website or platform out there that is correct 100% of the time. Nobody is correct 100% of the time. So that's why you have to make sure that you can take their signals, if that's what your preferred way of getting in on what coins are moving. Take their signals, analyze the signals, look at the charts, and see if it's something that's worth investing in. So this is one way you would do it. So storage has pumped overnight, over the past 24 hours. So there it is, 24-hour change. Okay, we were not in on this action, but this is what I would suggest that you do to ensure that you can get in on the action. When next it pumps. So this is the chart. It has changed. There has been this great, look at this, just look at the size of this candlestick. And this is a daily chart. You can see it's a daily chart over here. And look at this. Now, if you wanted to get in on this action, and do this. Okay. This is where your levels come in. Last week, I went over how to use support and resistance levels to analyze your trade signals. And so if you're not familiar with support and resistance levels, you're going to have to educate yourselves, and you're going to have to watch those videos. I have a bunch of them on my channel. There are a bunch of them out there on YouTube. Watch the channels, because we're going to come out of this a little. There. So this is a daily chart, and we've zoomed out. And you can see the price action of this coin that pumped in the last 24 hours. Look at the price action over... when was this? July of last year. So just look at it, how it's gone up, how it's gone down. And you want to look at the last time it pumped. Over here is the more recent time it pumped. Or we could actually say yesterday, right? 24 hours, 26th of March. But what about the last time it pumped? And I don't really want to count 2 days ago, because that's all part of the pump over the past week. Here's over here, let's see, this area here, right here. So I'm going to enlarge this chart over here. Over here, I'm going to draw some levels, and I will tend to use this horizontal line here, and I'm going to draw a level down here. Why do I draw this level down here? I draw it because, okay, so I've drawn this white level because to the left of this vertical line, price action had not gone beyond the white line. So that was a strong resistance. So ever since the inception of this coin, price action had not gone above 0.486 of a tether. And so what would have happened is, at this point now we can see there's been a pump. So there's this, from this particular candlestick, we can see it could have been a pump, it could have been anything, but price action finally broke above. It broke above this level. Now it broke above this level and it moved over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is. It moved right here. So we're going to draw another level. We're going to draw another level here. Okay. So you can see now it's upped its game. It broke above resistance below, and now a new resistance has been formed, and this new resistance is the yellow line. Okay, so again, price action has not broken above. Guys, this is the point where you want to set your alerts. You want to set your alert because you've missed out on this pump. Okay, it's gone. You missed out. You heard the next day that it pumped from the white level to the yellow level. You missed it completely. That's okay. But you set your alert at this point. You're going to right click. So I'm using TradingView, as most of you can see up there from the URL. And we're going to right click on that yellow line, add alert. You know, set your alert the way you like it to be set. You know, let it email you, let it notify you. You know, you want to notified once every bar, whatever that is. Set it and leave it and be gone. Now this, okay, I have the basic TradingView. I don't pay for I don't pay a subscription, and so there's only one alert. It only allows one alert. Okay, so that means I already have an alert there. If it's something that you're interested in, upgrade your TradingView, and I believe you have up to 40 alerts you can set. So you would create that alert, and you know what would have happened? You would have gotten alerted. You would have gotten alerted when price action moved above. Now let's look at the day it moved above. There it is, 17th of March, guys. This is it. 17th, is it 17th? Yeah, right there. 17th of March, you would have been alerted that price action for storage has moved above the previous resistance. So you pick up some storage. Pick up some storage. The fact that price action is moving above tells you there's something going down. The second thing you want to look at, of course, before I leave this screen, if you had picked up storage here, you would have held your coin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Day 6, guys, you would have been in on the action. Look at this massive move. You would have been in on the action. Okay, the second thing you would do, looking at your coin market cap or on your Binance market page, you want to look at volume, guys, over here. See this volume? You want to search on volume. You click it once and it gives you volume in ascending order. We want it in descending order. Okay, so of course we expect there to be greatest volume with the BTC, you know, trading Bitcoin. So we have 11, I don't know, is that a billion or whatever that is, 11 billion trades, the number of trades. Look at your storage is right there, number 3. So that this shows you that there are a lot of eyes on this coin pair. Volume is what increases price. I'll rephrase that. An increase in volume, a sudden increase in volume is what pushes price up. So volume today compared to volume yesterday. So if we were to able to look at the volume of this coin pair, say a week ago, it wouldn't have been 4 million. It wouldn't have been 4 million. It would have been, I don't know, whatever that was, 1 million. These are the kind of stats that you would check, the kind of metrics that you want to be aware of. And basically, that is how you would have been in on this major storage move. You would have been in on it. Of course, I don't want to trade it, so I'm not going here. So if I want to always be in on the move, whenever a coin pumps is a good time to put that pair, that coin, that stock, that forex coin, currency pair, you want to put it on your watch list. And so trading without a watch list, I don't know how anybody does that, but if you're trading without a watch list, make sure that you watch my videos on how to create a watch list, watch any videos on how to create a watch list. Always trade with a watch list. You need it. Join my Telegram group if you haven't. Don't go away without liking, and I will meet you same time, same place next week. Have a great weekend.